Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Izolo ngithe mangena ku-X yaziwa nge-Twitter ngasithela phe kwale pic le kaJulius Nombalula. Ngacabanga ngase ngena ku-comment section. Ngathola ke ama-comment ahlukene. Ngifisa ke sikhulume ngodaba le-EFF. Kodwa ngaphambi singene kulolu daba nama-comments wabantu. Ngicela siqale kule video.
Mbalula hates us so much. I've lived my daily lives with Mbalula on daily basis to a point where we used to say to each other, we'll be buried next to each other's grave. I know when he hates a person because he used to hate Malusi Gigaba with the same passion he hates us now. So when you ask him about us, I see how he changes his face and expresses himself. And I'm like, what have we done to earn this kind of hatred from this guy?
But why would he hate you when he left from your house when you won the conference in 2022?
Absolutely. You ask that again. We were seeing each other all the time until the last day he went to the conference where he got elected as Secretary General. And we've not done anything to him, politically or otherwise. We just disagree with him, and which is something we always did, by the way, even when we were living together. But there was never an animosity. There was never that spirit of hatred. We have earned that in him now.
Then why do
we have to accept?
Then why do you continue working with the ANC in Gauteng? Is it because of Panyaza Lusufi that you have got some sort of agreement with him and TK and also Lebogang Maile, your friend?
No. We are working with the ANC everywhere else where they want to work with us. If he don't want to work with us, there's nothing we can do. He says Mbalula now has sponsored a motion that we must be removed everywhere else where the ANC governs with the EFF. Our MMCs and our speakers and all of that are more than ready for that. Actually, I had a view that they must resign. And the leadership of the EFF, with their wisdom, which I appreciate now, they said, no, they must not resign. By resigning, we make their job easy. They must fire them.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengabantu abebephila bonke njengozwa kuzo uCIC ekhuluma shuthi babulungisile kubudlane babo. Ngiyasola bahlale phansi babonisana njengamadoda balungisa indaba yabo ukuze ubudlane babo babulungiswa phela basuka kude labantu bobabili. Kodwa ngaphambi bathi ngingene ukuthi bathena abantu ku Twitter asingene kunalo udaba. Usihle Lonzo uvakashela ibandla lamaNazaretha kuleli sonto esisweko lobengaqala. Mhlawumbe sokwesibili noma okwesithathu evakashela ibandla lamaNazaretha wafike wathola ukuthi bathi izingane zabo esikoleni zihlushwa ngothisha ngokuthi baphoqa ukuthi zigunde ngenkani. Wayesethi udaba lakhona uzolisukumela ngakho ke ubehambisa iupdate. Ngokwakhe ucabanga usihle Lonzo I think ustrategical noma ke fanele umuntu simncome. Uyabona uma kuze odabeni oluthinta imfundo nama students iEFF ya excella. Usihle Lonzo usukumela udaba lwama students kusuka kwabanenkinga zeNSFAS. Ngiyavuma khona ama political parties nawo ayasebenza kodwa awekho vocal ukudlula iEFF. So balisukumela lolu daba. Yabona nje uma ngicabanga ukuthi ibandla lamaNazaretha njengebandla elinabantu abaningi ikakhulukazi futhi base KZN uma usihle Lonzo ngempela lusukumela ludaba labo bazomethemba. Ushuthi iEFF singayibona ikhula ngamanamba na KZN. Athi ngicaphunele nansi inkulumo kaSihle Lonzo abenayo ngesonto.
Abantwana ngenkani. Immediately the following day started. Siye sambhalela uMinister of Basic Education eParliament. Sabhalela noMinister of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities. Sabanika isikhathi ukuze babuyele back kuthi on i-feedback yezisikolo ezifundisa abantwana ngenkani. Sathi kubo ukuba abayilungisi le ndaba sizofaka ibill eParliamente etshela isikolo ukuthi it must be illegal in South Africa ukugundisa abantwana bamaNazaretha ngenkani. Ngoba ama-Muslim
njengoba umuzwa kusihlelonzo okusho ukuthi ubelethe feedback ngoba wayithembisile ukuthi impela udaba luzolithatha luse eParliament. Ushilo ukuthi babhaleleke wabacela ukuthi abangenelele, uma bengangeneleli bazokwenza ibill. Lokhu okuzokwenza ukuthi abebandla lamaNazaretha babone ukuthi namhlanje at least kukhona umuntu oyikhathalele izinkinga zabo. Siyabaza abantu abanjengo President Jacob Zuma, former president weCountry, president womkhonto wesizwe party, bayaya ebandleni lamaNazaretha kodwa abawa address lama issues ahlupha ingane zamaNazaretha. So ukubona usihlelonze enza kanje ngakho ngithi mhlawumbe KZN njengoba ibandla libase KZN futhi linama members amaningi KZN kuzokwenza ukuthi bayisupport iEFF. Asethembe ukuthi uma eselungisela udaba nabo phela bazolenza iqiniso kuye ngoba ibona kuphela abafike bakhombisa ukukhathalela udaba labo. Ngeke ngayenza research kancane ukubhenga thola ukuthi akekho ovelayo oke walikhuluma udaba lwengane zabo ukuthi ziyagundiswa ngenkani noma bukudaba olwaziwayo bona ebandleni belazi kodwa kuma political parties nafikayo afika nje ngoba ezokhuluma lokho ekhuluma nanxanxa abantu ukuthi ababavotela. Asiqhubeke nodaba lika Mbalula no Julius. Uthi nathi sithole ukuba yifighter kumsebenzi onzima. Suka manje sekufuneka baqale bapraise uMbalula. Funa bamthande futhi bampraise uMbalula. Angithi siyazi ukuthi ku-EFF abadinga izathu sokukuzonda. Uma nje uCIC engakhombisa inzondo kuwe bazokuzonda nje abanayo inkinga. So uthi lona ukuba yifighter kunzima ngaleso sizathu ngoba sekufuneka manje uqale uthanda uMbalula ngoba uCIC noMbalula sebeyazwana. Kanti kwasekuqaleni bongamthandi nje ningaxabananga lo thatha isicapho nomunye. Sina uThambeni ubhala ukuthi hayi this look like i-black unity of which ngaba into enhle kakhulu uma bebuyisana ngoba vele phela iEFF iphuma ku-ANC noma kuthiwa ke babuyisana vele uzobebuyela ekhaya. So ngibona kungayi into enhle kakhulu. Abantu ke bamkhumbuzile ukuthi wake wabhala ukuthini ngoFikile Mbalula usina uThambo. Wabhala ukuthi uFikile Mbalula arrogant and une attitude towards EFF. So ingakho ngithi lalaba bathi ukuba yifighter kunzima ngoba uJulius mangabe ethe into uyahambelana naso kufuna nawe uhambelane nayo. Uma ngabe kwenzekile wathi awuhambelani nawo sewunenkinga. So bathi kunzima, abanye bathi ukuba kuyi-cult movement kuhlupha lana ke ngoba whatever ishilo ufune kuyivume. Angeke ngisho lutho ke mina. Angeke ngize ngiphawule lutho. Cha. Bengithi nje angibiki ukuthi sibona into enhle yokuthi laba babili babuyisene. Ngoba phela vele bangabangani abadala. Kuhle yabona nje ukubuyisana kwabo. Kuhle kakhulu. Uma futhi bekubiza ngeBlack Unity kuhle kakhulu. Kuhle ngoba izitha zabo ziyajabula uma behlukene. Kanti vele kwakade iANC EFF iphuma kuANC. Uma ngase kuthiwa basebenzisana mhlawumbe ngeke kuthusa abantu ngoba vele kuyobe uJulius ubuyele ekhaya. Kuyobe usho ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya. Plus ke banobudlelwano obude kakhulu bangabangani labantu. Baphilile bona ndawonye isikhathi eside. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphala kwakho ngalonke udaba lesilibekile kusuka kulolu lika Sihlelonze hambele ibandla lamaNazaretha. Kuthini ukuphawula kwakho? Mhlawumbe abaziyo abane experience bangasho ukuthi cha ngempela izingane zabo ezamaNazaretha ziyahlushwa ezikolweni bona babona babacabanga kanjani. Ngabe ukungenela kweEFF kuzowuletha umehluko na? Ngiyabonga kakhulu mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.